Is it supposed to be blinking?
Yes.
All right, ready? Cheers. Wait down. What in the world?
Oh, man.
Dude,
Okay.
are you doing it too? Are you biting on it? Bite on it. Treat.
I heard, yeah. Wow, it tastes good, too.
That's bizarre.
Okay, so you take it out of your mouth, you can't hear it.
No.
It uses bone conduction technology.
Bone what?
Bone conduction.
Just keep it in your mouth for the second. Yes.
They hit our technology.
All
Okay.
right, that's great.
I also brought these. These are the TDM Neo headphones. The TDM Neos are the world's first headphones that transform instantly
Okay.
into a Bluetooth speaker.
Okay.
Dude, that's kind of major.
That one makes sense, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, thank you. All right, thank you. Dude, that's cool. That's fantastic. That's a genius idea.
They work just like a regular Bluetooth speaker. You got your controls, you got your charging port. But it's that easy. Go ahead, put them on. I bet